In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Python project in VS Code. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you're on the welcome screen, you'll see a clean dashboard with quick actions. If you've already been using VS Code, you might land directly in the editor view. That's fine too. What we want to do is point VS Code at the folder that will hold your project, so everything you create stays neatly organized in one place. Next, click Open Folder. You'll usually find this right on the Start page. If you don't see it, look in the File menu for Open Folder. This action tells VS Code which directory to treat as your workspace. It's an important step because VS Code uses that folder to show your files in the Explorer, remember your settings, and manage everything related to your project. Choose the folder you want for your Python project, then open it. Pick a clear dedicated folder so your code, data, and future virtual environments stay together. After you open it, you'll notice the Explorer panel on the left now lists that folder at the top. This is your home base. Any files or subfolders you add will appear here so you can navigate your project easily as it grows. Take a moment to click the source control icon on the left sidebar. It looks like a branching line. You don't have to set up anything right now, but it's helpful to know where this lives. The source control view is where you'll track changes, review diffs, and connect your project to version control tools like Git. Even if you're just getting started, having this panel in your mental map will save you time later. Now, inside your project folder, click the New File button in the Explorer. This creates your first file right in the workspace. Give it a clear name that ends with .py so VS Code recognizes it as Python code, for example main.py or app.py. As soon as you confirm the name, the file opens in the editor, ready for you to start coding. From here, you can add modules, subfolders, or additional files as your project needs evolve, all within the same workspace. That's it. You've opened VS Code, told it which folder to treat as your project, taken a quick look at source control, and created your first Python file in the right place. With this foundation in place, you're set up to write, organize, and manage your Python code confidently as your project grows.